What steps does it take in the factory to turn oil-bearing crops into bottled oil? This is a factory that produces 150,000 tons of cooking oil annually, backed by Hainan Huatai Oil Machinery, a China-based cooking oil equipment manufactured on craftsmanship. Such factories are in nearly 7 Taikotian regions globally. I'll introduce edible oil factories pre-decant process, including raw material pre-treatment, pre-pressing, crude oil refining, and finished product packaging and testing. How is a bottle of oil made? Let's discuss the oilseed pre-treatment and pre-pressing process, using soybeans as an example. Soybeans contain 35% protein and 20% or less enter soybean oil factory. See how. Soybeans become called high quality. Soybeans are transported by conveyor belts. After each intake, the first step is cleaning and filtering. They are moved from cellulose oil, pressing work using elevators, scraper conveyors, etc., and they go through strict screening, magnetic separation, and cleaning to ensure repetition the production line. That's a concept to break to boost oil extraction efficiency. Squeeze soybean sear. First cross head and cover to 6 pieces. Shedding side rotor skins air class of fish peel. Send them to hot silos. Their third step is modulation softening, where screen the soybean center. The mixing pot precise control of moisture and temperature is also reach optimal elasticity. The first step is to press embryo. The cross headband sear. Sent to the embryo press and pressed into thin slices. This increases raw material sulfuric area, a key prerequisite for the efficient participation. The fifth step is to squeeze or dry after flaking. Soybean flakes go into extruder soldering, modifying the physical liquid yield and improves the OBM. The sixth step is drying and cooling. Dryer circulars are used to readjust the moisten dry flakes for the next oil extractant. The advanced step is to oil extraction. This is the core step to get crude oil, with 2 main methods. The first is physically pisciners for high oil content seeds. Screw presses are used first to extract some oil, and the pressed cake goes to thin extractants. The second is solvent extraction for low oil content seeds like soybeans or pressed cakes. Food-grade solvents are used to soak and dissolve on muscle. Their main angel, the solvent is recovered by evaporation node to get crude oil. This step is the crude oil refining process. Stay tuned for our next video to learn more. For high-end green and oil processing equipment, choose Huatai Group.